Yes gang, what's good? So I'm making my way back. I sort of took a little break, couple hours, had to come home, get a coat, you know what I mean? Something sturdy, you know? And then heading back. The weather's pretty decent, so it should be alright. Nothing too crazy, but I'm bare tired, boy. Super tired, long ass week, working hard, so knackered, but it's all good for the crack of it, innit? You know what I'm saying? On the old night transportage, you know what I'm saying? It's the old night bus. It's not a night bus, it's only 11 o'clock. But yeah, yeah man, just a little vlog of what's going down. Seen some of the old faces, that's dope, always dope, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm gonna see you at the next spot when I get back. Yeah, peace. So much calmer than the last one. I'm so glad. At least this time I don't get a size 8.5 and still looking for a 10. So yeah, we out here. Nothing complicated, very simple. The morning's probably gonna bring a whole lot of drama, you know. Resellers trying to jump in, kick in, the usual, but it's not gonna happen really. We'll just keep it nice and calm and chilled, you know, the usual. But yeah. Rocking the little pretty green, you know how we do. I think it's pretty fitting. See what I did there? Pretty fitting, pretty green. But yeah, obviously you got the CP little piece. I might dye this piece actually. We'll see. But yeah, it's all good, man. Only 10 hours to go. Only 10 hours to go, man.
Stores in the mirror like